Your phone rings. You look at the screen. It's an unknown international number. Your heart starts to race. You hesitate. If you pick it up, will you understand the person on the other side? What if they speak too fast? What if you don't know what to say? Many English learners prefer texting because talking on the phone feels like a nightmare.
But today, that changes. Talking on the phone is a skill, and like any skill, it has a code. Once you know the right phrases and how to ask for clarity, the fear disappears. In this episode, we are going to train your ears to hear through the static, and train your voice to respond with professional confidence. From answering the call to leaving a message, we are going step by step. Welcome to Brother English.
Good afternoon, Global Solutions. Jamie speaking. How may I assist you?
Good afternoon. This is Alex calling from the marketing department. May I speak with Mr. Thompson, please?
I'm afraid Mr. Thompson is in a meeting at the moment. Would you like to leave a message or call back later?
Oh, I see. Could you please tell him that the flight details for his London trip have been confirmed?
Certainly. Could you please spell your last name for me, just to be sure?
Yes, it's A-L-E-X. And my last name is Brown, B-R-O-W-N.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. I will make sure he gets the message as soon as his meeting concludes. Is there anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Goodbye. Let's break down that professional call. There are rules you must follow. This is name calling. Never say, I am Alex on the phone. Always say, this is Alex, or Alex speaking. May I speak with? This is the standard formal way to ask for someone. I'm afraid. We use this phrase not because we are scared, but to be polite. When giving bad news, like someone being busy. In a meeting. A very common reason why someone cannot talk. Spell your name. On the phone, letters can sound the same, B and P, or D and T. Always be ready to spell your name slowly.
Jamie, earlier in our conversation, I had to spell my name. On the phone, letters like B and P, or M and N sound almost identical. How do professionals avoid mistakes?
That is a great question, Alex. Professionals, especially in aviation and international business, use the NATO phonetic alphabet. Instead of just saying the letter, we assign a specific word to each letter to ensure 100% clarity.
That sounds very useful. Let's share the full list with our listeners. We will go slowly. Listen and try to memorize these words.
A for Alpha. B for Bravo. C for Charlie. D for Delta. E for Echo. F for Foxtrot. G for Golf. H for Hotel. I for India. J for Juliet. K for Kilo. L for Lima. M for Mike. N for November. O for Oscar. P for Papa. Q for Quebec. R for Romeo. S for Sierra. T for Tango. U for Uniform. V for Victor. W for Whiskey. X for X-ray. Y for Yankee. Z for Zulu.
So, if my name is Alex, I should say Alpha, Lima, Echo, X-ray. Is that correct?
Exactly. It might sound a bit strange at first, but it saves a lot of time and prevents expensive mistakes, especially when spelling email addresses or flight codes over the phone. Listeners, we recommend you practice spelling your own name using this alphabet. It's a fantastic way to sound like a professional English speaker. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Focus on your intonation. Hello, this is Jamie speaking. May I speak with the manager, please? Could you repeat that more slowly, please? I'll call back later. Thank you.
Sometimes, the line is bad. You must know how to handle it without panicking. I'm sorry, you're breaking up. Could you say that again? The connection is very poor. Let me call you back. Could you speak up a little, please? Sometimes, you get a voicemail. Listen to this recording. Hi, you've reached Jamie. I'm away from my desk right now. Please leave your name, number, and a short message after the beep. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.
Key words to listen for. Away from my desk, leave a message, and get back to you.
I am going to call you. Jamie will help you answer. Hello, this is Mr. Brown. I'm calling about the meeting tomorrow. Are we still on for 10 a.m.?
You should say, "Yes, Mr. Brown. 10 a.m. is confirmed. See you then." Let's test your phone skills. When you answer the phone at work, what is a polite phrase to use? What do you say when you can't hear someone clearly? What is the polite way to say someone is busy?
Today, we took the fear out of the phone. We learned how to answer, how to ask for people, and how to handle bad connections.
Remember, on the phone, your voice is everything. Smile while you talk. The listener can hear your smile.
Keep practicing. The more you pick up the phone, the easier it gets.
Practice daily.
Speak confidently.
See you in the next episode of Brother English.